Hello, classes 502 and 201. Today is Thursday, March 19th, 2020, and today we're going to be doing Backpack 4, and we're going to start on page 94. So pause the video while you get your books out to page 94, and we will begin, okay? All right, so if we look at the first part of 94, we have to do this part where listen, write the letter. So I'm going to say the letters. I'm going to say a sentence and you have to tell me which letter it goes for, okay? So number 1 is, I like to fly kites. I like to fly kites. So write the letter that goes with that sentence. Number 2, I like to build models. I like to build models. Number 3, I like to paint. I like to paint. Number 4, I like to collect seashells. I like to collect seashells. Number 5 is, I like to collect sports cards. I like to collect sports cards. So make sure you have that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the listen, read, and chant. My collection. I have a box for big things and another one for small. And when I need more space, I hang things on my wall. My boxes are so full, I can't find what I need. I also have more comic books than I can ever read. I have lots of marbles rolling around my floor, and so many stuffed animals I cannot close my door. Okay, if you guys want to read that again, you can definitely read that. But now we're going to move on to page 96. So, page 96, we're going to read this story. Okay, I'm going to read the story. Can we see that? Yes. People everywhere like to try new and different things. Learning something new helps people develop their personalities. It also provides them with experiences they wouldn't otherwise have. A new interest is always a good way to make new friends, too. What are some examples of new and different interests? Hobbies are a good place to start. Activities such as sports, travel, learning another language, and learning how to play a musical instrument are exciting too. Trying one or more of these activities can bring a new sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. So if we look at question 1, do you like to try new things? Why or why not? So with your parents or your brothers or your sister or a friend, talk about trying new things. So what new things do you like to try? I'll give you an example. I like to travel to new places because I like to see how people live, and I think it's exciting. So now you guys have to say what you like to try with your parents or a friend or anybody. Number 2, describe one new activity you would like to try soon. Okay, I'll give you one. I would like to try to play volleyball more. So I don't know if you guys know volleyball. I think you do. It's pretty popular here. That is a sport that I want to try and play more because I like it and it's fun. So now same thing. Talk about with someone a new hobby you want to try. So, a new activity, sorry. So musical instrument, a new sport, learning a new language, anything like that. How can trying a new hobby or other activity help you? Well, when you try a new activity or new hobby, you're getting new skills, you're trying new things, and your brain is going to be working in different ways that it never did before, and that's always good. It's always better to know more things than not enough, right? The more the better. Okay, so that talk about that, questions 1, 2, 3, with a friend or a sibling or your parents. But now, we're going to go to page 98. Okay, so on page 98, we're going to sing this song very quickly, okay? Welcome to our dance school. What would you like to learn? You could take flamenco and stamp and clap and turn. You could learn the samba and maybe do the twist. Oh, sorry, you can see it. And maybe do the twist. Would you like to salsa? You can. It's on our list. Come take a chance. We're going to teach you how to dance. Footwork, arms, and stance. We're going to teach you how to dance. We have polka lessons. You can rock and roll and swing. Ballet is very popular, and tap is quite the thing. Many people learn to waltz, others learn to tango, but perhaps you would prefer to learn jazz or mambo. Okay, so that's the song. Now, let's go to page 99. So, for page 99, listen, read, and say. So, what I want you guys to do... okay. So, we're going to take turns here. I'm going to be Mark, so I'm going to say Mark's lines, and I want you guys to say all of Jane's sentences, and then we're going to switch, okay? So, let's start. I'll be Mark, you're Jane. Hi, Jane. I'm glad you came to my party. Would you like to dance? Don't you like to dance? Would you like to learn? Well, I can teach you some steps. We can practice together. Why wait? Let's start now. Mark, you little player. Okay. So, now you guys are going to be Mark, and I'm going to be Jane, okay? So, you guys start. You are Mark, I'll be Jane. It was nice of you to invite me. Oh, no thanks. Let's just listen to the music. I don't know how. I'd love to learn to dance. Maybe next weekend. Okay. So if you guys want to do that again with your parents or your friends, where one person is Mark and the other person is Jane, that's totally cool. But now, we're going to go to page 100. Okay. Dances of different kinds are popular all around the world, so let's get reading. Okay. You ready? Can we see that? We can see it. Mexican folk dance. At the International Music Festival, I watched a folk dance from Mexico. In this dance, teenagers dress up like little old men and imitate them. They bend over, walk slowly, and carry canes. Clowns make fun of the little old men, but the dance actually honors old people. In Mexico, older people are respected. People ask them for help with problems and appreciate their advice. I think this dance is funny and a great way to honor older people. I'd like to do it for my grandparents. Okay? Let's do Korean fan dance. I watched a traditional Korean fan dance. In this dance, the dancers wear beautiful long dresses and gracefully wave their fans. They wear butterfly crowns and jewels in their hair. As they dance, they use their fans to form the shape of a flower with a butterfly in the center. This dance is very graceful and beautiful. I'd like to learn how to do it. Okay? Let's do page 101. Okay, so now we have the Greek line dance. I stayed to see Greek dances. I stayed to see Greek dances. This kind of dancing is lively and quick, and the dancers are full of energy. They dance in a line. Toward the end, the music gets faster and faster, and the dancers move faster to the music. I'd love to learn these dances. What fun! Okay, and now let's do the American square dance. I saw a square dance. I think square dances are old-fashioned but fun. This is always, hold on, I can't see that backwards. There's always a caller who tells dancers which dance step is next. The caller says things like, turn your partner with the right hand around. The dancers do what the caller says in time to the music. And at the same time, I like to watch square dancing, but I'd be afraid to try it. Okay, so reread all the dances if you want to really understand them. What's this one say? Point and answer. What does he think of the Mexican folk dance? He thinks it's funny. And then this one. Would he like to learn how to folk dance? Yes, he would. Okay, so that's our lesson for today, guys. Reread these pages if you want to so you really understand the information. That's our lesson, and I will see you guys. I will see class 502 tomorrow, and I will see class 201 next week, all right? Have a good day, guys.